Welcome to the Business Leader Spotlight Show.
I want to welcome everyone to the Business Leader Spotlight Show. This is Randy Van Ittersum, your host for today. Today we have with us Marvin Solomiany, a leading divorce attorney in Atlanta, Georgia. He's here today to talk to us about some of the legal issues you can encounter in a divorce. Marvin, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much for having me.
If someone were looking for a divorce attorney, what should they look for and how should they go about selecting the right attorney for them?
I think that the best source is if that attorney is referred to you by someone whom you trust. And the relationship between a divorce attorney and a client is very special and unique in the circumstances because this is an attorney that's going to know the very intimate details of your marriage and of your personal conduct and the personal conduct of your spouse. So other than the fact that this person was recommended to you by someone who you trust, the client has to feel extremely comfortable in that attorney because that attorney is basically going to be an extension of that client in the litigation. So you have to hire someone that you trust 150% to be able to adequately represent you. I warn clients all the time, you cannot go out and hire an attorney who is promising you, the sun and the moon. You have to hire an attorney that is reasonable, an attorney that will tell you things that you want to hear and things that you may not want to hear, because the last thing that I would want as an attorney is basically for my client to hear something from a judge that she's never heard from me. And that's what we talked about at the very beginning of our conversation this afternoon, is establishing reasonable expectations for your client. Obviously, from an administrative point of view, the client needs to make sure that they do some background, just search on this attorney. And when I say background search, obviously what I'm talking about is go on the internet, research that person, see their website. The area of family law has become, I would say, over the last 10 to 15 years, extremely specialized. So you want to hire someone who solely does divorce work because, like I said earlier, this area is one that has become extremely specialized over the years. So you don't want to hire an attorney who does not primarily practice family law. Opportunity.
Thank you for listening to the Business Leader Spotlight Show.